Hello, Keller Williams agents. I hope you're having a fantastic day. This is Sydney Seymour, the Regional Technology Trainer for the Carolinas region, serving both North Carolina and South Carolina. And I just wanted to create a quick video that walks you through a fantastic feature in Command that can, number one, save you time while allowing you to be in constant, immediate communication with your buyers and sellers as far as what is going on with their transaction. So let's get started and talk about this. We're going to start in opportunities, and the first thing that we need to make sure that we've done is that we've created checklist under our opportunities. So I'm going to come in here. I've clicked on opportunities over here on the left, and then I've got my listing opportunities up here and my buyer opportunities down here. Now, what am I cultivating? What's under appointment, active, under contract, and closed? So let's take a look at my active listings. To do that, we're just going to click right on the button there. And you'll see that once I click into these stages, I've got the option up here to edit the stage. Now, what I want to really pay attention to is just the checklist items. That's all I want to look at. If you've never created a checklist, that's fine. You might have a 0 out of 0, but this is where we would set them up. So essentially, when I have a potential seller that's in the staging section, what do I want to have as that checklist? So I'm going to come in here and say, okay, yep, I want to make sure that we've scheduled the staging appointment, schedule the open house, call the sellers twice a week. So I can come in here and I can create my own custom checklist just by clicking on add item and filling out what I want that to be. And then you'll see over here on the right, we have client update. That's what we're going to talk about next, but do I want the client to be updated about these items? So I'm going to come in and decide what I want them to be updated about. Then I'm just going to hit save right down here. So again, the first step is we have to go in, we have to create those checklists. So now let's go into this opportunity, and let's say that this is a potential seller. And when I sat down at the kitchen table with the seller, I said, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, I understand that you being in the loop of everything that's happening with your property during this process is so important. So here's my promise to you. I'm going to promise that any day that we do something that you need to know about, I'm going to send you an email by 11 a.m. that morning. How does that sound? And they're going to say, that sounds fantastic. We want to know everything that's going on. Now, here's where the magic happens of you literally clicking one button. We're going to go into this opportunity. Again, we have to have those checklists first to use this. We go into this opportunity and we're going to click right up here and we're going to go to client updates. And we're going to say send daily progress emails for this opportunity. And what time do I want them to be sent at? Now, I told them I'm going to send it by 11 a.m., right? That's what I promised them. So we're going to come in here and we might actually change that. We might make that 10 a.m., whatever we want to do, but we're going to make those changes here to whatever time we want to send that to them. And then I might even come down here and say, who do I want it to come from? The owner of the contact. If we have teams, we can change that. And then who do I want this to be sent to? I want it to be sent to the seller. If I had multiple sellers, I can enter them there. I can even add an additional contact here. So maybe they have someone else that they want to know what's going on. And then here's what they're going to get. They're going to get this really nice email branded to you at the top of the page. Underneath here, it's going to have their name. It's going to say, we're checking things off the list. Here's a summary of tasks with their address. As long as we've pulled the listing in from KWLS, we'll have the first photo from MLS right here. And then underneath here, it will say, we've scheduled the open house. We've created the marketing material. We have door knocked the neighborhood. So every single thing that when I come into this particular checklist for this particular opportunity, and I say, this has been done, this has been done, this has been done, I've got that client update right there. They're going to get that beautiful email that we just saw by you literally clicking one thing off the list. So I really think this is a fantastic feature that I encourage you to dive in. Here's my challenge. Create an opportunity and add yourself as the seller or the buyer and go in and check things off and receive that email and let me know what you think. And then start to use that in your business. Save time, maybe save money if you're using something else. But most importantly, you are top of mind for your buyers and sellers and you are delivering above and beyond what you said that you would do, which will bring you repeat and referral business. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, everyone.